Miami at Brooklyn Friday night, and LeBron James and Dwayne Wade, they're still wearing the same uniforms for Miami. But some guys changing uniforms from Boston to Brooklyn in the offseason. Paul Pierce, Kevin Garnett, fierce rivalry with LeBron and the Heat in past years, and now it continues in New York. Jason Terry, he came over from the Celtics in the offseason as well. He knocked down a couple threes in the first half. Then Miami coming up with a steal. LeBron James going to get the alley-oop on the other end, pulling the Heat within 4. Then tied at 42. In the corner, it's Mario Chalmers knocking down the 3 ball. Star-studded event in the Big Apple. Magic Johnson alongside the New York Mayor Michael Bloomberg, also the recently retired Allen Iverson in the house. In the third, Udonis Haslem picks up the foul right there on the Paul Pierce drive. Haslem's 4th foul early in the third quarter. He's forced to go to the bench, and Brooklyn takes advantage of the size deficit down low for the Heat. Paul Pierce finds Brook Lopez for the slam. Then it's Pierce finding Andre Blatch, a nifty little reverse lay-in. 60-53 at this point as we take another look at Blatch, avoiding Joel Anthony and finding a way to get that one to fall. This time, Paul Pierce gonna fill the bucket himself. Pull-up jumper. 19 for him, 19 for Joe Johnson. They tied for the team high for Brooklyn. The Nets led by 11 entering the fourth. And who says Paul Pierce is unathletic? Look at him get up and reject the king. And it's Darren Williams finding Joe Johnson in the corner. 96-84, Brooklyn on top with just 2:45 to play. But don't count out the Heat just yet. 8-point game in the corner. Dwayne Wade, 3 of his 21. It's a 5-point contest. Mario Chalmers chucks one up and gets it to go. It's just a 2-point game. Caps off a quick 10-0 spurt. Under 10 to go. After D. Will splits a pair of free throws, put the Nets up 3. Allen Anderson fouls Ray Allen before he can get off a 3-point attempt. So Allen, usually reliable, hits just 1 of 2 from the foul line. 2-point game. It was back up to 4. LeBron hits a corner 3. That makes it 99-98. James with 26 to lead Miami in this one. Joe Johnson hits 2 free throws. Nets by 3. And again, they go back to the fouling strategy. KG fouls Chris Bosh. He hits the first free throw. Has to miss this one to give the Heat a chance to tie. It goes in instead. 101-100, and then the Nets able to advance the ball and get the win. Miami 1-2 on the season. First 2-game losing streak since January as the Nets snap a 13-game losing streak to the Heat.